Hey, what's up, user? Welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to update WhatsApp on your laptop in just a few clicks. Whether you are using WhatsApp desktop or WhatsApp web, I have got you covered. Let's go. If you are using WhatsApp desktop app, follow this step. Open WhatsApp desktop on your laptop. Click the three dot menu in the top left corner. Select settings. Select help and check for updates. If an update is available, click update now and let WhatsApp do its magic. Once updated, restart the app and you are all set. Or if there is no update option, it means your WhatsApp is already updated. We have another way to update WhatsApp through your App Store. Open the Microsoft Store, click Library at bottom left corner, look for WhatsApp desktop or you can search and click update if available. Once the update is installed, just reopen WhatsApp and you are good to go. And if you are using WhatsApp Wave, good news, you don't need to update it manually. WhatsApp Wave always run the latest version automatically. Just refresh your browser and you are set. And that's it. Now you know how to update WhatsApp on your laptop like a pro. If this was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more easy tech hacks, and thank you for watching.